When one of your EV chargers stops working, can you be sure what action is being taken to get it up and running again? Techniche EV gives charge point operators complete visibility and control of their EV charging network. When a charger goes down, Techniche EV takes error codes directly from the charging station management system and, using system smarts and industry know-how, automatically triages and dispatches over 85% of incidents and alerts. So instead of drowning in a flood of emails, everyone in the maintenance chain has access to the most complete and accurate information to get your EV charger infrastructure problems resolved quickly and safely. Techniche EV helps you get your EV chargers back online in the shortest possible time, helping keep your uptime, revenue, and customer experience scores up and your maintenance costs down. Techniche EV. Find out more at technichegroup.com/EV.